Alright, we got, this is Johnson Evinrude 115. It's a V4. I don't know if it's cross flow, bubble back. I think it's bubble back. I don't know. I can't remember. Anyway, what we got going on is reed valves. So I'm going to replace the reeds. Waiting on my gasket that goes at the base here, but I thought I'd go ahead and replace the reed pedals. Sorry, once I get started with this. Anyway, so these, if you notice, this is going this direction, and this one's going this direction. So when we want to put it back together, we want to just make sure it's in that direction. It'd be nice if I had the gasket, but I don't. But I want to get these off because, man, I got to get this rust and stuff off of these. Now, what you can do, like on these, like you can get you a good screwdriver that'll fit. See, like that's not gonna fit. Okay, so you gotta search out your screwdrivers. Make sure you get the right one, you know, because they're gonna be in there tight. So this one is a little sloppy to me. All right, so find you a good screwdriver first of all. You can loosen this side and this side, but to get them out, I mean, you have to get to the other side. You gotta flip, you know, you gotta take them out. So what? Take them out. Then we've got some of these. If you notice, there's just a Phillips head. There's one here. This one fits it real good. But we're probably gonna to get these out, because I don't know if somebody's used you know, if they've used Loctite on these. I don't know. So you kind of need to get them out with a really good bit, and I got a few different ones, and that's the same thing there too. You gotta find the really good bits. I have a really old Craftsman, and I mean, it works. You know, obviously it's not as good as some, but like, and that one's okay. I mean, that's probably the best fit of all of them. And that's probably like a number, I don't know, number 2 maybe. I can keep fishing just to make sure. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's even better. So these, I know they're impact because they got the little red tape. I don't think this is an impact. I think this just ended up in this case. So, and what I like about this one too is I can just go ahead and get it in my impact. Make sure I'm going in reverse, because you're going to need some pressure. And that will come right out. Alright, so that's this side, but now we got, you know, there's kind of 2 in the center, and then there's one up on top and one down here. So make sure you're in there good. That one came out alright. And then we got, you know, So there's like 4 on the case. And then, like I said, there's, it's not that hard, but we got a bunch of.
What are you doing?
Filming? What are you doing?
Oh.
Well, what?
Doing the filmages, huh?
Yeah, I'm doing something till it warms up because I got, you know.
Windy.
It's very windy.
It's supposed to be windy the next few days.
Oh, well, that's a bummer because I want to go fishing.
Yeah,
what we do about that? Go back in the river?
No, I'm waiting until Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Yeah.
Is that when the wind's supposed to die down some?
Yeah. Supposed to.
How windy is it?
Oh, it's going to be in the 20
mile an hour wind gusts?
20, 25 mile an hour wind gusts next few days.
And what's the barometric pressure?
I don't know yet.
Well, alright. I guess we're just going to work and get her done. I don't know, man. I need a tub or something. I'm going to put them up there, maybe in that tray. What do I do with them? Starting to run out of. I guess I put it in this. Yeah, I don't like that there's like that, I don't know, it's like rust on those. And this, I don't know, I might have to get him a new one. A new hosage. So kind of long. Guess we're going to have some oil, better wipe them off. I guess at least it's lubricated. Use that, you know, Marvel's Mystery Oil in it. Anyway. I have to clean these up. Alright. Something else gotta do. That one seems a little funky. Just to make sure. Yeah, it's fine. And then you got a short one, so you kind of need to remember where you get your long ones. So right now we got 2 long ones. That's here. So these 2 are going to be the same way. So these are going to be your long ones. And then you're going to have short ones. I'll just have to clean this up. These bolt, I mean, they're like screws, whatever. I'm going to have to clean these up later. Anyway, so, I'm going to get these out real fast. The short one. Short one. We get them all. I think we got them all. I missed one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm missing one. I know I am. Where's it at? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. So there should be 2 for each one, right? There's one who's here. One is here. But then where's this one? Alright, I don't know. Then they're going to come out. So. And we'll just have to clean this up real good. You can see how much, see, that's how much stuff, debris and stuff is at the bottom of this. I don't know if you guys, here, I'm going to show you this because This is a trip. So there is all this sludge, right? It settles at the bottom of this reed plate. So you know the airflow when it's coming through, you know, it's not good, right? So all this is like, you want that airflow to be really good. And then the other thing is at the bottom of these reed plates, there's a little bitty oiler, I guess. And so, you know, it like puts oil on the reeds, I'm pretty sure. I mean, the gas and is with the oil mixture is coming across, you know, there. So you got, and I don't know where they are, but there's little bitty holes. I don't know, it's like, it's probably something I should learn, but like there's a hole there, and there's probably one over here too. So this is gonna have to get cleaned up real good. Oh yeah, there's one up here, there's one down here, and then I don't know about this side. But yeah, so that's got to get cleaned up. And then the other thing I was going to show is that I found this like this on this motor. Okay? And that is right there. This got sucked up into this. I mean, it's kind of stuck there. But that got, you know, that was part of a, I don't know, VRO thing. Anyway, that got sucked into there. So that's good that we got that. But then I'm waiting on these little gaskets. So that, you know, just have to take them all off and get them cleaned up. That's going to be what it is. But yeah, here's what I'm talking about. Like, just want to make sure you get a good screwdriver, you know. You crack all these screws. Alright, alright, okay. We're going to do this. We're going to get this done, and then we'll be back. All right, I got these broken down. One thing's for sure, it looked like somebody replaced some reeds, but then I found some that were old reeds, like that. That's old stuff. So I'm going to set this to the side in case I need it for something, but I got to get all these gaskets off, so I'm gonna have to see if hopefully these will come off. Kind of, you can do that on the side and just hope for the best. You know, anywhere where you can get a little edge, sometimes it'll, you know, these are so bad that I may end up having to scrape them. But this scraper does pretty good. One thing bad about it is like it's hard to, you don't really have a good place to do this, so just take your time. Don't use a knife. Don't use like a razor blade, because remember, this edge right here has to seal. So just kind of, you know, if you have to, you can, when you're done, take a piece of sandpaper and, you know, take that off. But usually, like, if you catch an edge, you can try to get as much of the gasket material as possible You know, unfortunately they needed to be clean because like this, you know, I'm just getting anything that's junk out. Like that right there was like, see that reed right there, you know, that fluid coming, you know, here or whatever. Yeah, it'd be going this way. I'm sorry. That fluid would be going this way where you got all this buildup. So once we get that all cleaned out, I'm going to throw these in my ultrasonic and clean them. But this is going to take me a minute. This is probably the hardest part. Just don't stab yourself. You want to get it, you know, off as much as you can. And like I said, you can take a piece of sandpaper when you're done and get all that off of there. So let me do that. And I got these fairly cleaned up. It's a messy job. Just take your time. I got this gasket scraper. I highly recommend it because you can go real fine if you need to. Just be real careful, especially around the holes, the mounting holes, because that's where it can kind of get you. I got this stone, and I mean, I could use sandpaper too, but I like this. Just make sure it's clean. And then we're going to put a little oil on it, a little tool oil. And I'm just going to do like this. It doesn't take much, just wanted to get it nice, you know. And then, because it'll take any of that extra gasket if you have left. And then it kind of flattens it out too. I know you're putting another gasket on it, but you know, just go real slow, especially around those holes. You can see that already looks better. And same thing, just go down the line, make sure this is clean. And yeah, there we go. You don't have to do this. It's just something I do. You know, because it's really hard to get all the gas. You can almost take some of it off with your finger once you get it. But I like to, because you know, we don't want any air getting around it or leaking fuel. Checking my work. It don't take much. Like I said, you're gonna have a gasket there later. See, like this one's had some that I couldn't really. It might have been the first one too, but it's pretty flat. See, like here I didn't get real good. So maybe it'll come off my finger, I don't know. Yeah, it just kind of comes off of my finger. Anyway, there you go, cleans it up. Yeah. And then check my work again. Because I'm a OCD clean nut. When it comes to this, anyway. And motors in general. Probably not. Probably should practice that in real life in my clothes in my bedroom. Yeah, this one. There we go. That gets that all up there. Yeah, now we got a little here. Okay. At some point, you gotta just let it go, man. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw this all in my ultrasonic cleaner for a few minutes. Clean them up, because these parts are really in bad shape, and then all this is all bad shape. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just see if I can't pre-soak stuff, because it's really bad. Man, it's bad. Yeah, it's like a rust. Look at that. Yeah, I may have to. Yeah, let's do it. Let's just do an initial deal, man. Pine Sol. I don't know. Oh boy, it's turning crazy. He gets it off there though. Wow, that's really on there. I don't know, hopefully it does come off. I don't know. Let me get some water out here and hook it up, hook it up, hook it up.